What up, man? It's your boy Dbonds back with another banger. D. What up, Snotty Nose Gang? Back to the channel, man. You already know what it is, man. Shout out to my Snotty Nose crew, man. Hey, listen, we are in a safe environment. You feel me? We are in a safe environment, as usual, at the same spot. You know what the spot is. Outdoor Access is right across the street from King's Domain. We in Dosewell, you feel me? So, yo, listen. I made some ammo today, right? I made some 5.7s. Now, don't laugh at me now. They a little, they a little hit because I had them sitting for a while. You feel me? But I got these joints, man, the 5.7s that I made, you feel me? And then I got my magazine. It's already full, so we're gonna go test this baby out, you feel me? Oh yeah, my baby is ambidextrous. She is clear, by the way. She is ambidextrous. The 6 hour, y'all know I always got the 6 on everything. Put the little grip on it, the little sights or whatever, you know what I mean? But I've been waiting a long time to test this ammo. I know y'all been waiting a long time too, so I'm excited as y'all are. And shout out to my boy Call Chrome, man, behind the footage, man. Y'all already know we always together. He got some shit dropping too, so I just want to let y'all know. Be ready for his joint to drop. But yeah, without further ado, man, let's just get into this video, man. Let's just get into it. So we got first bait right here. Let's go. Now, this is like it's a carbine. They say it's a rifle, but it's a carbine. This thing is a carbine, a 5.7 carbine. You feel me? And this thing do have 20 rounds? 20 rounds in it, so we're gonna get this joint a shot, man. See how we do. We're gonna see how these bullets come out. Cool. What you doing, man? Oh, hold up.
Eyes, people, keep your eyes.
Oh yeah, definitely. Keep your eyes. That's not good. That's not good. It's not going all the way forward either. It's not going all the way forward. I wonder why. That's weird. That's unusual. Let's try this. Alright, there we go. Unless we got something there. One shot. This thing really ain't chamber. Ain't that something? Thing ain't even chamber. I'm disappointed. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm disappointed. All rounds. All the rounds. Not one round went through, not nothing. It's kind of disappointing. Nope. You see that? See that right there? Man, easy come out.
That guy.
You feel me? And then a lot back. So, yeah, that ain't a good one. So, yeah. Got to lube them up probably when we get back and figure out what the problem is, because this is just unusual. It's working in the house, everything chambered, and now it's not chambering. I'm kind of mad. That shit pissed me off. Alright, so like I said, man, we gonna try these joints right here. See how I do, baby. Not again. Not again.
Smack that Jane forward.
Nope, still not. Nope, still not. Damn. I ain't even gonna waste my time.